Hello everyone, to my first cooking episode. I thought we'd keep it simple and we'd do banana bread. Yeah. Alright, let's get started. You're gonna need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, so grab a bowl. So go ahead and use 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Without baking soda, you have no banana bread. And then you're gonna need, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So go ahead and stir that up with a little whisk. So now that's the dry ingredients. Now get another bowl, and what you're gonna need is 2 eggs that are in here. Yes, a drop of eggshell, leave me alone. I'm new at this. You want to aerate these eggs. Alright, so that's your egg, just some beaten eggs. Alright, so you're gonna grab a bowl here. You're gonna take half a cup of softened butter, and it should be like room temperature. You should be able to like mash it in. So go ahead and put that in there. And then we're gonna need about 3/4 cup of brown sugar. I'm using dark brown. I think the darker the better. And we need 3/4 cup of this. So with that, just go ahead and get a fork. That's what I use. And just mix all that together. So half a cup butter, 3/4 cup of brown sugar. We're gonna put this into our egg mixture. You can honestly just do all this in one bowl. I don't know why I decided to do it all complicated. For banana bread, you should use about 4 super ripe bananas. I don't have 4, so we're just gonna toss in 2 of these fresh ones. Hopefully it comes out okay, we'll see. And at this point you should have an oven preheated to 325 degrees, so that can be nice and ready to go, because this is gonna take about 1 hour to cook. Use a whisk, the one we used before, it's okay. Oh, delicious mixture. Now we're gonna put that to the side, and you can just keep it like that if you want, but we're gonna add some chocolate, because I love chocolate. So I found the most expensive chocolate in my pantry, that's what we're gonna use. Now that's in there, gonna just mix all that deliciousness together into this bowl. All right. And with a little movie magic, now that you have something looking like a beautiful batter, we're gonna take a loaf pan, and with a little bit of oil and a paper towel that I put somewhere, we're just gonna grease the inside of this so nothing sticks. Alrighty, and then we're just gonna pour our beautiful batter in. Alright, so now you have this beautiful batter in here. This is gonna go in the oven at 350 degrees for about 1 hour, until you can put a fork or a chopstick in there, and toothpick, and pull it out with no residue, so then it's fully cooked. Alright, see you guys in one hour. Welcome back. 1 hour turned into like 10 seconds with movie magic. So look at this beautiful cake. And the reason we know it's done is because if you get a little knife, just poke it in there. It's all clean. Well, there you go, it's all clean. Alright, so we're just gonna flip this over, and then flip it back over, and slice. Oh yeah, it's pretty good, huh? And now you can have a banana bread and a chai. Have a great quarantine. Thanks for watching. See you next time.